Hey guys, today we'll be doing something a bit different. I'm not playing in Block Launcher because I want to show you that you can do this with no mods, but, something that I found, like, really funny when I used to play Minecraft. So what you do is you make this kind of thing, and then you kind of just spawn a bunch of chickens. Then you go down here, and you break that, and then that happens. Now, when I used to play it, I'm not sure if this is because I made it kind of far down, but there would be like a spinning whirlwind of chickens, and I called it the Chicken Tornado. Alright, if the Chicken Tornado is going to come, it's going to be here, because that's pretty high. Nobody cares about you, you stupid stone! Break faster! Alright, yeah, because see, we're almost at cloud level, which you can't really build over in PE. Oh, I seriously, like, every time I do a video, there's a village in the background. I don't even know how this happens. That's so cool. I'm going to have to check it out if the video is kind of short with the chickens. You know, maybe I didn't put enough chickens in, and that's why. Alright. Ready? Yes! Behold! Absolute heaven! What? What the heck? What? I remember this. Alright. It's gonna explode right about. It's gonna explode pretty soon. It's gonna. It just like completely Let's do this to the village. I feel like they've lived a happy life for too long. Yep, they've lived for about 2 minutes so far. Alright, I don't know, this is kind of a sucky village. For being a sucky village, you will get bombed by the death dirt chickens. I don't know. I'm running out of things to say in my videos. Oh, it's so cool how you can do this. It's like, you can't do it with any other mobs. They'll just like fall instantly. Oh my gosh, there's another village? Seriously? That is so cool. Is there a blacksmith? Okay, so there's 2 villages like really close to spawn, but they're kinda like mega sucky, so. Alright. Maybe at the end of the video, I'll just do like a couple of seconds so you can see the seed. In case you like mega sucky villages. My brain. That's what you get. And these chickens just can't go without their friends, the slime. Wait, what? Slimes don't spawn above level 40. What the heck? What? Die. Die. I want a freaking small slime. You know what? You can die a horrible death. Alright. Chicken-Nado! There's 4 Chicken-Nados. 4. I've created 4 Chicken-Nados. What have I done? Look at this. I mean, seriously, look at this. They just, like, I guess I'll show you that you can't do this with any other mob. Yeah, that's right, villagers. I'm making it rain yourselves. Oh, sometimes I do that. I just, like, sit for a second without saying anything. I laughed because your brethren fell and died. What? So, that's the seed. 142905137. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.